In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix PlayStation 4 controller analog stick not pressing. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the reasons on why your analog stick, either the left or the right one, is not pressing, it isn't working properly, or it is drifting. There are various reasons on why this happens, and the main one is just going to be dust or debris that gets collected on these little holes here. So when dust and debris falls into these gaps and they go into the controller internals, oftentimes they can cause problems when trying to use any sort of button or the sticks. The best way to deal with this without taking the controller apart is going to be compressed air. So this is by far the best and most convenient solution. I would always recommend trying this out first. So by using compressed air, you will be able to blow it into any of those little holes. You don't have to blow too much, just try to get it from all angles. You can push the joystick to the left and then blow on the right side and then repeat the same steps with the other one. So you put it to the right and then you blow compressed air into the left gap and so on. Repeat this with every single orientation and you will be able to get any big sort of dust or debris that has collected into these joysticks. Now, you can also use some cotton swabs. So by getting these swabs, you can also insert them into the gaps. Make sure that it is completely dried out after you do this if you used some sort of cleaning alcohol, and then try connecting the controller again. If you notice that it still does not work, then sadly this could indicate that dust or debris has collected really deep down on the controller, and this is going to be harder to fix. Best course of action would be to take it apart and take a look at the internals. You can try tapping where they are located to remove the dust and debris, but if you aren't comfortable doing this, I wouldn't recommend it. So at this point, it would be better to take it to a professional. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix PlayStation 4 controller analog stick not pressing. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.